jinu ni tara tabichi luhin so bi tara tajima Poumai tây cái nó sum với hai ngom he vậy nè giờ thì audience mai mình lâu xưa ngồi sự cái gì mà ni mai to audience giờ về là giờ mà to ni mai to bố nè Sham mẹ bây giờ ni mai to bố nè com nhà sao bị bây ha mà là ngom he ni mai to audience chỉ nó ngồi suy nè sum với khai yêu com nhà khai yêu audience mà to ina chỉ ni mai to bông ngô luôn nè giờ thì về program ha chỉ nó sao sự thay đổi là chú Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ những Phaibung Khullen hin về
vi show ju ko khe ala asasro ju thona bo the hai kaisa ajinu jepu ne riwe jinu rikhumai tapau tungjoi village sanapati hinu vewe
mam sudo zo ti thi asapye dasin le zo a ko se la ye jepu nai han ha Poumai hin ji ta son radio hin pai vi son Paim Trophy son Laris Sola mai je sebenarnya zo che program selai hana ha vai tao nó super lại ha mam sen vim je ne le bilo mo vai na ha mam sei pom san be
jo ji to Poumai thona bo the hai kai se hi judges mai to vai shi lai pe lai mai to thimina shum vai hai boy ala LOUMAI shum vai li boy sinu jinu chu Poumai to ji aku pa pe lai Poumai to no lishia no high stage pa pe ztra lo le chu ji to Poumai ji som vai shepe baburi right ke so nu pi achieve punu station tapapayo pi achieve hai mega Mr. Northeast pothe hai kaili alia pothe hai ka hai hinungoloi po hai katiko village senapati hinu vewe pi achieve hana nu ji Poumai na ji me lao su nu song we pe ala ji Poumai hinu right ke so nu mega Mr. Northeast với title hay với luôn nữa chỉ Poumai na hay song với pe mai sâu băng tàu vào pe ô cho rồi chú hay này hinu da hay puja chỉ Poumai na so do so show pe buju banner LOUMAI James banner LOUMAI James puha Mr. Rubaru Mr. India youth icon pothe ha ka hai hi vailujue banner LOUMAI James Rubaru Mr. India youth icon pothe ha ka hai mai sunu batopyo asachen hinu have a show baburi jitawi Mrs. Poumai Mrs. Liba Julita, Puhai former actress, Alia Talata Ju Poumai no to my me hinu, Vailuju Mrs. Alie, Jujuhi Puhai, educational advisor, Robert Kennedy College, Switzerland, Julita Liba. My sunuba topyo. Hamai to mai sir pi achieve banner LOUMAI James alia Liba Julita hamai to nu jito vi jo LOUMAI do vi hi vi shito hai hamai to nu lai pile jo jito mai sunu kho buju LOUMAI vi do ju vi hi câu ta ju so le right khaso nu ju jito arai khaso ju round na hai traditional round pu Poumai nya no la nu taluri le sunu chuji to we contestant mai nu soda lure lu sai ze Poumai to we tili na se filovri
ju first round talum zahi contestant mata welcome sim wana Zhifiimai Titus Taliata from Kwede village namai chine ve biju Zhifiimai Titus Taliata hanane jito we special appearance Miss DOYU, LOUMAI với DOYU, mai tàu lùm giúp với welcome sim với bạn special appearance. So xin lỗi, xin lỗi, Mr. Zhifiimai Titus, ni ready so bây giờ popular mà về. Thank you.
LOUMAI mai bị thương đi bờ này kia chữ kỹ chữ mơ bị chữ chạy với chữ Poumai chạy với linh áo chữ kỹ cô khai lưu hồng ma Phaibung xa lưu hồng Thounii đau chữ kỹ bao bụi nó trôi để hi đi ai vai nó môi a chữ hai và chữ đi vẽ lên Zhifiimai ta cứu tay thao đại chữ Poumai chạy với linh áo chữ kỹ cô khai lưu hồng ma Phaibung xa lưu hồng Thounii đau chữ kỹ bao bụi nó trôi để hi đi ai vai nó môi a chữ hai và chữ đi vẽ lên Zhifiimai li và hi lâu rồi khai về lại mô khô lại mô chữ nê bùi ca nê đi chô chô lê xì lưu dư nê dư bà về tê rê khai bù ta chữ chạy với linh áo chữ kỹ cô khai lưu hồng ma Phaibung xa lưu hồng ta về Thounii đau chữ kỹ bao bụi nó trôi vai nó môi a chữ hai và chữ đi vẽ lên thank you
Kalau shore Subtitle Talita Joe tao nu kho buju na hai sulere LOUMAI vei doju ta ve lobo buju mai sohi pon jusa dai nu LOUMAI vei doe juva na moe ha vei va nu moe anu LOUMAI vei hai ka kinu sopai dai nu sopai tiloja la vei ha mai pholu lai donu ala la vei khoko ala lolo hoju hai tao he panu sulu lai donu Sự việc solo đây từ lâu giờ, Poumai vì chỉ là DOYU, ala solo suju khâu ala Poumai hờ mà hay, so với lâu xe từ chú vào beauty pageant mà lâu mai với hay đôi thì chú Jinu mai sự hi bằng ngon nwe xin yêu chúa chỉ tao vì Poumai thâu nơ vì lâu mai với tao nu ta lâu Poumai tao vì tây lên nè phía bếp lệ
Ajinu ke Arzavine Magdalene Die. I am your contestant number 1. I am 18 years old. Ji Puba Thapam Hinuve. I love dancing, baking, and making videos. I aspire to become a great businesswoman. Kyala Shore!
Boy, we need to take a way hana, that they back hypoya, who might not lie, who was new. We showed you cook here, a little, such showed you who might honor the new, the velo, the law, which you might tell his Chido Hanani Bubasa Nube. Aji high, Lutinite shot your eye. Ihai Humai Bla Ale, Ihai Boki Kuku Buta Nubue. I am your contestant number 2. Ihai BA-LLB Bachelor of Laws, 2nd year Vishal Law Institute in New Durai. Inuwa Saju Tilahi Hai, Dai Vasuju Zupai Tijo, Mai Mosuju, Mai Hichicha Pajoju. Bushitia Sahaju da Juzubai. Ini Bahozu Longi Dai Vasuna Tijo, modeling and a successful lawyer. And after completing my BA-LLB course, I will be a human rights lawyer. I will make sure that women's rights are not violated, and I'll be there to stand up for all of you. Sa shoju kau na shoju ku khetela alisulo kaloi ki mai la mai dai ro pa kenya shuluwa ki mai la mai dai ro nyu sama na do lo ba nu ho we we sa bu tu so sa nei sa ye so ro sa
Be proud of who you are and never compare yourself with anyone, because you are worthy enough that no one could ever replace you. Wish you take you, Rare Casonu, the Cholovison of you, just look at my aya, Tabu love you, Jipo Marshallati, the he, of Asusuju, Thounii, which you do have a new point of view. Zhifiimai, you might have a contestant number as Subtitle. Zhifiimai, you might say, as you knew, Nairuve, Zhifiimai, Pukaina Tanve, Zhifiimai, Lord DOYU, Chadana High, Mount Everest College, Sanapati, New Zealand Bay. E Takurai Prang Zuhi, Jinu competitive exam Tara Zunu, Soda Son Bay. Jinu was the pan beach till he high. Dotsuji aya, Truji in a high, Jinu the person, Sojiva Aje. Jinu Ramanu, Jie, Lishison, Mudesonu, Hasahanga Dojima, Alisa Bujit Haprano. Jinu Detili, Lara Dutri, civil servant Ajisolonu. Jipo my nae, Jikulu Soji, not the my Alison is soy. Wish you Thounii Tili Alisolo, Traloy.
Could
you tricky. Alia bu thi hai kai se Poumai Thounii hi we love you. My shul line his asaju chidu baby. Aji hai shumoshi Jessica bu katsu. Aya ji hai zuvu bu thi hai katsu Poumai Thounii host baby Phaibung Khullen Zhifiimai. Jina telingau buji. La repuju, le coup treju, aya le sujet high, the passion ne soe. Juju high, jihai avec graduation soutiano, competitive example ajuna jino sudabe. Jino avec ashrahi high, civil servant ajisla. Jimai Poumai no to my mea, my zina no tramway, salute did you hype up and to manifest the beauty and power of Poumai culture beyond Poumai's land with my life journey. Kaleshoe. Tao vi ta tu je pai pau mai niu ta ju je alia I tao vi la hai na niu I tao vi je shi ju pi shingo pi we asa ju tao na vi sho ju ki asa ju ki. Good evening, judges, and to all my audience. Aji hai sochan pi diwe Ji ngari Khullen village hinu vewe. Chuchu hai ji Pune University hinu master dua boy. Ji hai do suju. Alia jikhamai kwa bujoju hai zipa showe. Ja mai zatu buju mai lisu na we. Kaisua ji ne pono ju. Suluza Ji pai pau mai vi ta ju je hana hai ngai mo niu mai ti di niu preserve sua sustain su lai she kala shore Okay. Trusho show biju judges. Tavilo biju noto puto supino samai kamai dao. Jini mai dao we contestant number 6. Ajino puni sanamai ve. Jimo bukai se prade. Ji lower Phaibung hino vive. Jiju hai makeup artist isano vasano be. Ramaino notumai shum visho. So we pino jino pimaito with beauty and hands so we you hai ji zipa shoy. Ji lo so jo zipa. And I am here tonight to proudly represent my village and to take on a larger role in the community. Trala shoy.
Oh
go ke. 这个说不如 judges 没到，阿俩位置不如上麦看麦到。I am your contestant number 7. Ajin Thounii le. Aponyo kaili tabwe. Zhifiimai laur Phaibung my fe. Alia Zhifiimai Delhi new settle sobwe. Zhifiimai dao thono no right kaza no boot lechi 2002 January liye zaimai chino no buchi Zhinyava nu apo hai paino lushi shonu ji thono ja sape. Upon new paintings, alias sketchings, the pato de piano. She knew Puhinu Dulonu. She had two international makeup artist Aliso Bue. Alia Bus how the Ju new way culture doju, the Pashonu, Poumai Dulonu, Samai Kamai. Phaibung two my dopeju interest ali. We show you go Kenya so solo tio, gallo shore.
Que je bouge, je zappe bouge my toe. Allah tave za bouge my shule hiza. We should ke we chido high pen boy. Zhifiimai ni my tave contestant number 8 so atabala ni boy. Ajin rakovinete. Zhifiimai kubu my fe. Allah Zhifiimai pokai sata ni bude. Zhifiimai vicha dai chelanu. Chuchu Mount Everest College of Teachers Education hinu B tani boy. Jinu zapa Zhifiimai lo soju namai doju ala popa chiju. Hasamanu poju chili boy seloza. Our culture is our identity. Savasinu jidapu po vijedo do hanavanu mashule tave zan boy dijila loche. Mate dinu vishja ke hana salutio kalashare. Sana kola lo vyale shana dona nyumba nyumba re howe sabana da da re do showa da da re li kao bai kao mai shi mai zai ke mai a da da re howe. Zhifiimai ke bongai boye. They pong here read duly sojuma not to waste sojuan in risoe. It up Poumai ra poi de poi va Zhifiimai not to waste sojuan in soe. Not to Zhifiimai ki vehi je sotoloju je boy. Not to Zhifiimai hatio ki veli je holo Zhifiimai. Lishira high alira kind of Zhifiimai. Not to my high, lishi dishwe, a kind of wishwe. In your job, not to wait the jibi velogio. I need the apima restore on your vemoy. A pipe on my way, Jadoba, pay de pay on your vemoy. I knew ye, Jeff Waymale saw the logitel. I wish Jeff way the way I knew. 只报道不留人买，手不留那万牛别。刚那其实可以，阿里拉阿萨是就不买成了的呢。马子就是不是 judges 买到，阿里拉大为老早，比如阿对的阿不买是阿萨是就这多还那呢，你当然是4年别。阿姐还加为你阿那提来，也还不给个个巴嘞，阿里拉你作为 contestant number 阿个直接摆，也还和买不那买不阿里耶。Inyo jodo Don Bosco College Autonomous Maram Hinu Political Science Hinu 5th semester tani be Aliro National Players Maima Ali Sarai Inyo lare do chelo jute dai sunna tijo mai pani cha hoju no chu mali shi pa mali salo na shwe Kao na ju khayi ni ta wai salo thia ka loe Sahi ma jo sahi ma sada di jo le
Our asa ala chido hanya pain boy jini to our contestant number 10 ajinu Alice tiwe ji chu hai mufo ka hai ne tan boy ji hai khabun karon zanu mai fe ale jini vasa delichi ji Korea ala mai vasukhari ji zpa showe subali khimanu ji hai state player mai ale jini vaso nari hai shipahi official mai ale sunoe galoe
Poumai alia zukoju judges maitao. Ajin you mivinye tang shangatiye, your contestant number 11 from Ngari LOUMAI Lower. I am 21 years of age, currently pursuing BA final year in English literature at Don Bosco College, Maram, who aspire to be a professor, and I love interacting with people, reading books, cooking, and I also love to play badminton. I strongly believe in empowering women, and I wish to be an example of an upright woman and influence the women folks of my community and beyond. Kalushore.
Mai alihai jawi pupowi zaidu pupowi na no sumo by dealers subi ali by mahavya by vishoju kukui zutuluwe biju jidawi judges e mashulahi tawi lobi mai to his asa shoju chido hana pain be aji hai rubinai ve jini mai to contestant number 12 ye Ji hai mupu chafula de. Jino jul BA third semester na tan be. Jino vazupa bichitili daiva soy lusa lusuju age primera lusuju hajino zupakajuva ale. Jino te pohina vasunikana chukuti de la juha dai lusa entrepreneur. Zo marshal hai tawi lobby mai to hisa Kauneju asaju taju trees ni mai to hi penepe. Long live Poumai. Thank you.
一百八为三十，哈索为萨巴呢，海瑞姆对呀水落去好啊嘛牛不哟，喂，哦嘞些嘞些，哦嘞些嘞些，哦嘞些嘞些，哦嘞些嘞些，哦嘞些嘞些。
We show you a tree Poumai. Aji hai Legionnaire Valerie, ihai Nimatawi contestant number 13. Zhifiimai Khullen LOUMAI fe, ihai Jubo kahai Tanuboy. Presently Manipur University Hinu, MA in Political Science second year Donuboy. Ramainu ahi talent puya inu zapashoju hai. Lo suju, ji slupuju, alia atortoju inu sufatai. Itawi team high sustaining culture. Inu ponye. If we want to sustain our culture, we have to continue create it. We show you as a shoju Poumai tono kono solutio.
Trong số này, chú vì LOUMAI với DOYU ye ha vì first round ha hai hin chơi chơi. The name that makes you remember your lover, your girlfriend, your good times, your bad times, and your romantic times. Ye han ha thôi là giờ Miss Vernalyn, cho biết mà tao Robert. Miss Vernalyn, chỉ tao mi tao về lobby, bên này live với, ya chỉ tao hi present sơ sơ lại, mắm sườn nó bỏ bỏ welcome sơ sơ lại kìa.
Mai ni chi
Kalau sore Vernaline Sarni Nina Sutu Pivanu Jutave Bobri Mam Tay there Lava shop hare in Luche Dropuda Hanuchim here Zhifiimai Jita show Buju Zhifiimai Nightingale Zhifiimai Nightingale Toy Myla Polus Poluhoi Toy Zhifiimai Nightingale Zhifiimai Ji So do so show Poe Buju KH Hashuru Benjamin My day the population Mrs. KH Hashuru Benjamin
Poti hani kaisi tuna hana hai Nisi shuju taizir suwa buju Phaibung Yido shishibuya buju bihi ya tabi Neto hunza ni laju tili awe ngo piluju duni Awe asa jido hana hai neto hipuya nibe kalo shore Yido jawe tuna hi yido we executive my request hese ni Ye hai Manipur taidiri punya suba khai tare
mai
cho machine hi cho thalai musho hi new shmozelia alia puwe asama hi new luli kaijo like shmozelia alia puwe sama ni new go stage new tilena sa fi pebele
Check.
Hello, check. Hello.
Good evening, everyone. Ichu in hanu lu supile vina angkami naga vi lu supile kelhu kevira.
Traluswe, Mr. Rukile Suro, ni lishen stage bi tralule. Mr. Rukile Suro, we would like to appreciate you and your presence with a small token. Please come back to the stage and accept it. Thank you. And also Miss Leah, Miss Shimoza Leah. Both of you. That was a song. Travis Suyu, Travis Suyu, Mukino Suyum Bavana, Lutuna, Visona Supivana, Pihatala Bonabe, มันโซ่ทรีวัสโซ่ทรีลุพอยนะฮะลุเซฮันนะฮะปุ่มไม่จักกิสันไหมเปลี่ยนสุดต่อสู้ปะลุสุปุวันนี้จิตตอนจ้าเลยจูจิตตัวเตลิวิแค่เลยลุไม่ไว้ดูจู second round ไหนต่อจุดสุดเลยมันเสนอว่าคือตาลาอยู่ไหมจริงขับบีไหมสุดท้ายจุดโลจุดนะฮะพี่มาตัวไป second round casual round พี่มาตัวนั้นเตลิตาราจ้าน่าอยู่ฮันนั้นน่าฟังเลยจิมาตัวอีง่ายสุดเลย second round starts now and you may take your time thank you
Crazy for your love. You got me going crazy. Crazy for your love. Crazy for your love. Crazy for your love. Crazy for your love. You got me going crazy. You got me going crazy. Crazy for your love. You got me going crazy. You got me going crazy. Crazy for your love. Crazy for your love. Crazy for your love. Crazy for your love.
I'm from the ass city. I'm from the ass city. I'm from the ass city, where we like our beats raw and live in the grass of the devil's claw. I'm from the ass city, where we like our beats raw and live in the grass of the devil's claw. I'm from the ass city, where we like our beats raw and live in the grass of the devil's claw. I'm from the ass city, where we like our beats raw and live in the grass. I'm from the ass city. I'm from the ass city. I'm from the ass Answer City, where we like our beats raw and live in the grass of the devil's claw. I'm from the Answer City, where we like our beats raw and live in the grass of the devil's claw. I'm from the Answer City, where we like our beats raw and live in the grass of the devil's claw. I'm from the Answer City, where we like our beats raw and live in the grass. I'm from the Answer City.
But this is how you want it to be. is how you want it to be. Without you in the night, without you feeling right. Without you in the night, without you feeling right.
Jidawi baka hai jeju casual attire hai ni chere.
Chú chỉ tao về round third round hi ta chung zhe hi a khai sơ lü le tribute se lai se na ha thoi hi na trace lai le the Mr. Stenson, Mr. W. Stenson Shikul Lisha Band, and the title of the song is Du Kaju Lisha. Shikul Lisha về lü Du Kaju Lisha han hai thân composer là the popular DOYU lü composer Mr. R.S. Peter from Phaibung Kunal. Ayah singer na hai han ne original singer han hai Shikul Lisha Mr. Stenson.
Hello, check.
你也是自己，啊，那了让日不，你飞不留你就可日把你啊还为了啥让来那得掉着落。孩子哥啊，还得下肚你自追，对跑一二十，喊你多女白，就卡住飞不了，只就卡住嘛，啊怎了你能拉不？Today, Gianni, la luz je t'aime, with delight je t'aime, dai doni Poumai. Hey, how he can lose ya, you down, you my Ça va le chien je high pass by du café pour dire du cas je va new the home n'est que je high Jésus de le home they only are sure Honey, don't you buy to cause you feel it to cause you my at the in love at to the Gianni la luz je t'aime with delight you cheat I don't tình rất chi với kỳ parai Zhifiimai reasoning cơ ta du thế khai vì môi hai vì lơ xa sơ via rai ta du thế giờ gạo này show nít lơ hi bu sơ đây cao vi à sơ hai ni do như bài tu khá dư phải phụ ni chỉ tu khá dư mà at giờ lơ ne hi na la bê at tu ne chỉ cha ni la lu sơ zu theo with delight to you chi dai do ni Poumai. Thank you.
Kaloshore Stenson, Maisu Asasamwe. Jito Poumai ju asale phare LOUMAI vei lailu ala lu vei li kai luk hai. Jo mashehi. Jito bakhas soju round nahi tari le bakhas we round anu evening gown. Sunu jo my sunu pato Poumai to welcome subuleshe.
Lift me up, hold me down, keep me close, safe and sound. Burning in a hopeless dream, hold me when you go to sleep. Keep me in the warmth of your love when you depart. Keep me safe, safe and sound. Lift me up, hold me down, keep me close, safe and sound. Drowning in an endless sea, take some time.
keep me sane. Pull me from hell, bring me back again. Play me the classics, something romantic. Giving my all when I don't even have it. I always dreamed of a solemn face, someone who feels like a holiday. But now I'm in pieces, barely believing, starting to think that I've lost all feeling. You came out the blue on a rainy night, no lie. I'll tell you how I almost died, while you're bringing me back to life. I just wanna live in this moment forever, 'cause I'm afraid that living couldn't get any better. Started giving up on the world forever, till you gave up heaven so we could be together. Oh, my angel, angel, baby, angel. You're my angel, baby, baby. You're my angel, angel, baby. I fall in love with the little things, counting the tattoos on your skin. Tell me a secret, and baby I'll keep it, and maybe we can play house for the weekend. You came at the blue on a rainy night, no lie. I'll tell you how I almost died, while you're bringing me back to life. I just wanna live in this moment forever, 'cause I'm afraid that living couldn't get any better. Started giving up on the world forever, till you gave up heaven so we could be together. Oh, my angel, angel, baby, angel. You're my angel, baby, baby, you're my
Hello, hello. Je le manachon pa la ve lazo moi. Je ta ve le ma ve do va ju han ha a khai chu la la jim shu la la. Je ta ve jim shu heartbeat na ha beat su ha chi la pa re jim shu pi pa re a khai chu le jo price ha ngo su ta ji ta su la ju round han hi ji ta no dukha ji ju ma ngui ha be titles subtitles ngui ha pa su la. First title, Miss Photogenic. Hana pa su la photo hi thano le shim bai khai thano photo noi le zu khai na title ha pa su la Miss Photogenic, and the award for Miss Photogenic goes to serial number thano no zoi. Did I hear 7, 8, 9? Serial number 7. Miss Thounii SC from Makruli village. A round of applause. Congratulations, Miss Thounii SC from Makruli village, for winning this prestigious subtitle of Miss Photogenic of 2023 Miss Thounii Beauty Contest LOUMAI DOYU. Ju award hana hapuya ha jury matan paisila Mr. Achivi, Mr. Banner, and Mrs. Julita. Hamata stage pa la pa tolala. Bimata we sash hana ha sa tu pulai na ha Ma'am Julita na paisila. Ju Miss Photogenic hana ha thano award paisila le Mr. Achivi, Mega Mr. Northeast. Little correction. Miss Thounii SC hana dan yu hinwe is lower Phaibung. Lower Phaibung hinwe Miss Thounii le pa pore pia Thounii te hin na lo ju bana Miss Thounii ya sab kha de jury mata pitsai le ha kona hi ko lo pa ni mata award te ha paisle ju be round nahi. Thank you. Sash. Sot pui ta ha man ne pui chalo le award ta ha putu ha ne alternatively pui se le.
Joe ahai chen hi Miss Talented Jipola nu polai luze sejuja han hai thonngo loi lu sai je. Any guesses? Thonngo pai Miss Talented. Number 6. Thao pai. Okay. Miss Talented hai contestant number 8. Contestant number 8 B Rakovine from Pupathapam. Hana we hai banner new with
I'm gonna make this last forever. Don't tell me it's impossible. 'Cause I love you for infinity. I love you for infinity. 'Cause I love you for infinity. I love you for infinity.
Subtitle number 3. Miss Congeniality with subtitle ha thonngo ze congeniality chu with subtitle pui na ha pi mai to shui ne overall ti thi ju ba wei ji personality talent ham ti ju ba wei ji thonngo ze with title ha pui se le. And the title of Miss Congeniality goes to, any guesses? Any guesses? Do I hear number 7? Again? No. She's already got her title. The title of Miss Congeniality goes to contestant number 2. Number 2. A big round of applause for contestant number 2. Love you, Miss Congeniality with title and ha thonngo le lu ze H Lidunai Taisha from Burul Akutpa. Burul Akutpa hin ve be Miss Lidunai Taisha han Miss Congeniality ngole pi ha serial contestant number 2.
Love isn't random, we are chosen. And we could wear the same crowd.
Joe adai chen hi Miss Personality. Her my visual Miss Personality hai thonngo loi lu sai cha. Contestant number 1 KR Zhifiimai Magdalene. Congratulations Zhifiimai.
BNUV President and General Secretary has station for love BNUV President and General Secretary. Subtitle number 5. Subtitle number 5 hana ha Dai title like you is a catwalk. Pimane ram hit atuchi. Tatu ngovi khaju. No to my canane. Tatu ngovi kha and judges matan dolo in a paisla and the Jew award hana catwalk we subtitle hana PNU we president presentation ha paisla levi sash satwin ha Miss Julitana pa paisla and the award, the subtitle for Miss Catwalk goes to contestant number, you may guess, contestant number 1 and 1, contestant number 11. A big round of applause for contestant number 11. And her name is Mevinai Dangchanga from Ngari Radulumai. A big round of applause for Ngari Radulumai, ladies and gentlemen.
Don't cry, snowman, not in front of me. Who will get your tears if you can't catch me, darling? If you can't catch me, darling. Don't cry, snowman, don't leave me this way. A bottle of water can't hold me close, baby. Hold me close, baby. I want you to know that I'm never leaving, 'cause I miss the snow till death will be free.
Ju subtitles ha mengupira hana cese judges mato ya honorable president hamata ha bi interview bi chalo la. Ladies and gentlemen, President PNU, General Secretary PNU, and our respected jury members.
Don't cry, snowman, don't you fear the sun. Who'll carry me without legs to run, honey? Without legs to run, honey. Don't cry, snowman, don't you shed a tear. Oh, hear my secrets if you don't have ears, baby. If you don't have ears, baby. I want you to know that I'm never leaving, 'cause I miss the snow till death will be freezing. Yeah, you are my home for all seasons. So come on, let's go. Let's go below zero and hide from the sun. I love you forever, oh, we'll have some fun. Yes, let's hit the North Pole and live happily. Please don't cry no tears now, it's Christmas, baby. My snowman and me. My snowman and me, baby.
Jojuto, LOUMAI với DOYU với hay hi, với tỏ số LOYU hay thâu văn nội từ lơ giờ mai hay li bue, mai arai na sonu, Zhifiimai anelo, pu hay Artificer and CEO brand Zhifiimai, pu nu ta pa peo, Zhifiimai anelo, pu hay Artificer and CEO brand Zhifiimai với mà bao nai, alia hai chen sonu.
Mam su pa pa
Jitowi fashion show he director super buju Sir Robert Pau. Sir Robert Pau. Mai hai na heaven jitowi ju. Thounii Miss Thounii LOUMAI với DOYU hai cầu ju về số lối. Số này mai số bắt đầu với lệ bố hai tên nữa. Alia bố hai à jito.
Mam su pa pa cholo la. Ju PNU nu Sir Robert Paul aya Miss Anilohi mengashi memory color junu give atai dulu paisa la bị hạ bùi cho lại chú give thana bùi ở chỗ này đi đâu chief veteran Mr. Sri Salune ex-ADC member hana na tapa honor na hasi bùi cho lại
All my ladies, one to the left, sway to the right, drop it down low and take it back high. Bitch, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. One to the left, sway to the right, drop it down low and take it back high. Bitch, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. You see me, I do what I gotta do. Oh yeah. On the gas list, no need to queue. Oh yeah. Me and my crew, we got the juice. Oh yeah. So come here, let me mentor you.
Contestant mai tàu thì lâu khai lệ bơi về rồi.
Stack like casino, I'm Monte Rustino. If you're the subtenant, I'm Diana Ross. All my ladies, one to the left, sway to the right, drop it down low and take it back high. Bitch, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. One to the left, sway to the right, drop it down low and take it back high. Bitch, I don't need introduction.
Jito we makeup artist, Miss Thounii we artist, Lucy, makeup artist, Lucy, Alani Sadio. Hai này nó số to su, Jito we contestant mai tàu mai tụ bấy vanu, bố mai tàu hai số mai tàu vào rồi, xin bố hai cho lọ bao mai xin nó bố tàu bị lấy ship đó. Colore, Georgie Towi. Away will do hinu, Luhinu Tata Lisole Buye, Sunu my sewer, like to repair Joe Mashihi, Shivini Rio, Puhinu Luli, Kajolake.
You might give you so listen, Mama, Loso way, Mama, Loso the Shoja Lohana, so like Dr. Pooh.
Je
mai le shira je vani do beak se ju hai bia via ju hai yo balere you kai hai Kalashaya
we top 8 we result hai pare sunu jinu chu result ta hai choto pile vai kaju acha ta hi thau thau mai nu paloi tilo ja any guesses thau nu palu phai contestant number yes contestant number 1 Contestant number 1, congratulations. Jito we arai ka sport hi hai contestant number 1 paloi. A high chain hinu. Contestant number. Yes, correct. Muchai contestant number 2. Contestant number a high nanu. Bu a high hi palore. Wai khaju achahi contestant number ahai ne paloi asachin hinu contestant number 3 contestant number asanenu bu asahi paloi Adai chene hinu thanu paloi tiluta contestant number 6 contestant number aru Wai kaju pu achahi contestant number aru lore Angau chene hinu thanu paloi tiluta contestant number Yes, correct. Contestant number 7. Contestant number unnamed. Jo, vai shoju. Top 8 hi hai. Bu asli tu bu bere. Hai. Rakovai ju. Contestant number hai thoi tu loja. Contestant number 8. Contestant number acha. Contestant number 8. Cho bu hai tu bu bere. hai akai khawi bu hai bu ali na nu thon ngoloi tiloja contestant number 9 contestant number occur khai khahi bu ali tu bu bere chitawi top vai ka ju acha top 10 hi bu ali tu bu bere han hai thon ngoloi tiloja contestant number 11 contestant number Charlie congratulations hai mai tei di juvu jitawi Miss Thounii LOUMAI vai doju vi contestant mai tei di ka lo pawe chu palu mo mai tei di jitaw nu ka lo pawe ni mai to soi tore la moe ni mai to tra lo pawe anu chu palo baburi contestant number 8 ni mai to congratulations chu jitaw vi Miss Thounii po thi ha kai survey vai ka ju mai acha ta hai top 8 hai ha mai toi sunu mai sunu pa to bile she chu jitaw mushihi truri lai mushihi nu po mai to hi question anu lai chi hai ju su lai sunu chi hai lai hi hai po mai to po ma judges mai to ji pick up su lai po mai de nu thau dolo lai sa vai shi ju po mai thau dolo lai sa ho mai nu po mai to hi chi hai ju na hai su lai jitaw rai nu contestant number 1 hi ko rai ju su lai contestant number 1 nu hai na hai fi pi pu nu thau do lai sa okay contestant number 1 nu judge banner pui do loi
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. First of all, I would like to say you all girls have done exceptionally well. You all are looking very, very beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Yes, congratulations, all of you. You have made this far. So, coming to my question. So, ever since you got selected, tell me about your journey. What have you learned? What have you experienced? You know, you're being groomed by experts. So, tell me about this journey. Thank you.
Thank you for the question. Well, getting into this competition, getting through the process, I have learned so many good things from my fellow contestants. I also got to seeing their performances motivates me more. So I got really good. I'm so sorry. Well, I got to learn so many good things from my fellow friends, from my fellow contestants. I also, seeing their performances motivates me more and makes me want to improve myself. And I realized that not to compare with others, but to be the best version of myself. Thank you so much.
Kalore contestant number 1 mai sunu pu da boto pu bile she chu jito contestant number 2 contestant number ahai nai tele pi ju su le pu nu thau dolu sa okay contestant number 2 nu jito ma'am Julita idolo
Yeah, hello.
Hello, good evening, ma'am.
Hi, good evening. How are you feeling?
Pardon?
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great.
Okay, here's my question for you. What is your motive to participate as a contestant for Miss Thounii?
I participated this contest because this prestigious pageant has been growing better and bigger since the time of its inception, and I feel that this pageant, this platform will give me a sense of fulfillment of my dreams, and I also can voice my opinion in what I want to share to the people. Having this title will also give me a bigger platform where I can help others and also encourage everyone who are not able to come out and walk out from their flaws and their imperfection. Thank you.
Kaloshure, contestant number 2. Jojito Asachirehi, contestant number 3. Contestant number 3 new achieve atoloi.
Good evening, sir.
Hello, good evening, contestant number 3. How are you feeling tonight?
I'm feeling great.
Okay, so here's your question. What do you think is the biggest problem faced by the young people today? So let me repeat the question for you again. What do you think is the biggest problem faced by the young people today?
Totally, sir, which is your question? I hear you. Zoti jujutili hi jito nali manu problem face to ka biji hai dialogue jito sorry problem face to ka be biji na hai dialogue yana yalo tiju in ha na hai jino limane problem face to ka ji problem aji jine polone dasna lozdo yana yalo timu vanu zoti Yachinu so Nijivana Solomon Yano lit Tylon Jinu Hana Solo Yahiluti Hana Jistolo lit Tajivanu Tano Zodeti Jinali Manivasa with Tilmu loss of be Jima wait Nalima Ashrihi Daju loss of be Tavanu Nalima Alinu Yana Yalo to Ju in a high Take Jine Polonia Sonu Nalima Alishri high Yanu ya he looked in the high hajin a high. Did you do haji problem as ye jinu pauluni?
Colore, contestant number 3. Joe Atainahi, contestant number Arohi Kushule. Contestant number 6, no. Banner James Idolo.
Hello, contestant number 6.
Hi.
So my question to you is, how do you think we can, already Thounii is doing really well, but how do you think in future, in the coming years, we can improve this festival?
Thank you for your question. And indeed, it is going really well, but I believe that Poumai community as a whole is lacking decency. Just now backstage, something indecent happened due to alcohol intoxicant. And I'm sorry, due to being intoxicated. And I would request everyone that we can celebrate without alcohol. We can still enjoy without all this negative impacts. Thank you.
Thank you. Jido contestant mai do hai shi tu share na ngobure anu chi khai bây giờ chi answer số bây hay số từ bây giờ nữa kalau sure xin mình tay đi đại bắt đầu bây giờ bố mày đầu sung li bây giờ cho machine hi contestant number 7. Contestant number 7 now achieve DOYU.
Hello, contestant number 7.
Hi, sir.
So your question is, what can women learn from a man?
Thank you so much, sir, for your question. Good evening, Cook. Good evening, everyone. Honorable judges and everyone present here tonight. Well, my answer to your question is, without women, nothing is possible for men. Women make a home, home make a family, and family make a society. Women are the epitome of strength, love, support, and sacrifice. And my answer to your question is, without man, without men, like I said, nothing is possible. And lastly, women are self-sufficient. Standing here tonight, your contestant number 7, being self-sufficient, finally independent, and self-aware. And lastly, there is also a saying, an empowered woman does not only empower herself, but also empower the family and the society. Thank you so much and have a very pleasant night ahead.
Calorie contestant number 7, chưa chỉ tàu contestant number 8 hi câu số lệ. Contestant number 8 nữa, Ma'am Julita DOYU.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, here's my question for you. Do you think pageant at any level is contributing to the society? Yes or no, and why?
Thank you, ma'am, for the question. My new question, new badges, sakhe bubele. Tunda they like it's not only tunda, but every contested he is it good or will you please repeat the question, ma'am?
Do you think pageant at any level is contributing to the society? Yes or no, and why?
Thank you. Made right now he the answer hai yes, it is contributing a lot. Why? Because Zhifiimai hai pya laju hai, we are not only showing off our beauty. Zhito figure way jv da pya lamwe, but we represent something. We represent our society, our community, our people. So this is a very big contribution, according to me. This one it is. Zhifiimai mangoza pya lagai, hane daimai have a rumai tiju jive new moma jive my people represent so tebia. And also I know those who don't know about our culture, my jive shrasma buju jive culture sama buju mahi pya represent so bagaye sama buju ma salo also no contribute to jive. Thank you.
Calorie, Jo Mashihi contestant number 9. Contestant number 2. Contestant number 9 DOYU hai achieve.
Hello, good evening, contestant number 9.
Good evening.
So here's the question for you. Is social media bringing people together or causing separation?
Thank you for your questions. Tuy nhiên nếu như hai, giờ đó như nhà lấy mấy nhiều bỏ bị social media, như ít đầu rồi mà mấy vị trí phụ việc giờ bị họ bỏ ra tháp bể nói. I will answer hi yes. Phụ việc hay bự rồi. That's it is all because of social media. Social media van những ít đầu hai, nữ hai kita bị thì rồi sôi. Aliro hai na nữ cũng một tên rồi. Nữ hai kita polare, Poumai tới đây nữ giúp cả bị polare thì chứ, như mà aliro tới đây phao hơn là hết sự, notice hai pháp vậy. Aliro sự thế một cái social media bao nhiêu, họ na đại số rồi, hai bài đại số rồi, họ bài đại hình với lưu ye, hai na đại hình với lưu ye, mai họ kita rồi, aliro họ lo hai kita rồi thì chứ vậy chứ vậy, ít social media hình sẽ khai đi luôn vậy. Đôi số ít như Poumai thuna miss đaba hai đôi số social media hình như ba ngọc khâu bể hai về là một bijima ba con như bijima tao hai hai bạn như solo đây hai mấy như về đây thì just khai đi bể social media hai ít đó nhiều visual ít đó nhiều color nãy giờ thì cho social media bao nhiêu ít đó hai chữ cụ thể hai cái hơi cụ như vậy chứ ít đó nhiều bộ bijou mechanical nhiều bộ bài cha bijou biro. It is all because from electronic. Hai đứa khi mà vậy shipper, họ lo nhiều mà nhiều use đó bởi hai, ít đó social media hiện sự khai được luôn nhiều. Diffuse sử dụng, ít đó với media, ít đó với culture, diffuse sử dụng hai bộ về lời, cả lời.
Thank you. Joe khai cái số nhiều. Contestant number 11. Contestant number Charlie. Contestant number 11 thâu đô la Dillada Banner James.
Hi, contestant number 11.
Hello.
So tell me, Navy Life, Navy role model Thounii, and why?
Thank you so much for the question. Well, my role model is, I would say, it's my elder sister, because from the time when I was very young, she have been taking care of me so much, and she is my inspiration since I was a child. As my mother passed away when I was 8 years old, she sacrificed her youth life, and she supported my educations. And so, as I'm standing here today in front of you all, she motivated me, she gave me inspiration to stand in front of others, and also through her inspirations and encouragement, I was able to stand in front of you all, believing in myself that I can do it, and I have a confidence in myself. Thank you.
Hello, Shure. You thought we contestant mai đâu? Ni mai đâu backstage khai lục về về. Poumai đâu nữa? Sẽ tự share bữa mà. Poumai đâu tự đâu vây nữa phía bà chỉ đâu hi. Chỉ hay answer số bây giờ nữa cho rồi. Ju Miss Thounii LOUMAI vây lại bùi ju mai tây để Poumai đâu vì answer đâu hay trailer nữa. Khashon bule thì ju lâu che.
The next round here, chúng mình a special performance pion abuse Mr. Khullen Suro. Hana hene jito lui tribunal Mr. Khullen Suro. May we request you to take the stage one more time. Thank you. In the next, we will also have
Hello.
Shemaze Leah. So we request her to get ready as well. Thank you.
Thank you for this opportunity. This evening, I want to share a message with everyone present here, especially the models of this Miss Thounii. I hope we all will take this message and be the one to make an influence, to make a difference and share our hearts of love to the whole world, those who are in need. Come, let us be the one. This one is an original called Be the One. Come, let us be the one.
Truly, truly wonderful. Thank you for your world-class singing and mesmerizing us with your enchanting melody. Thank you so much. And next, may we invite Miss Shumaza Leah on the stage for her performance. Thank you. Chú bỏ sâu bây giờ, tao cho lấy bỏ sâu bây giờ, bút tu, ai chú bỏ sâu lấy nó từ mai, hana ha, chắc cái sân Naga mai, biết hana, chỉ tao hiện suốt tao sao về lưu sum ngõ bên ha, mình sao chả số vào đây, lưu chế với số đây, mình sao, bây giờ nó từ bên ha, nhưng mà tao hiện present số bên bên, chế từ bên cho lo lại.
Check.
His name when you have
Miss Leah, you make us feel just like we are out of this world. Your voice was heavenly and it was truly enchanting. You left us speechless with your wonderful performance and your sweet melody. Thank you so much. Chief Patron Chimai, you have a stage hit up with the Chief Patron, family, Mahachin tập với trâu lại BNU nữa BNU rồi vừa chỉ tàu về thôn nữa hàng này giờ bây giờ mà nó sốt ta sao nữa zum chủ bè不下去呢投资去呢zum主去呢别呢手抄不一下别下起码只到这呢耍的水啊，这点呢别呢找路下保罗呢 gift 还不够到呢呗，慢手把发不找路来。毕竟嘛呢，一到市场不有，别人为主为屯那哈那子，市场不有哈，一到呢毕竟嘛包哈，别还能背着哈卡了回，是个毕竟嘛，一到呢别还历史，一到呢别还蒙阿莫，一到呢别还真呢，也别还为 family 真呢，别去包出来那位，可他们还少呢呗。Kalau sudah, sir, ayah ma'am, ni hanya tem kau so nampi mah lum ceri terlepas siapa ni hanya asas anu je tahu gift atan apa, accept si pun mana kalau pun nampi. Mam sebab apa kalau le, tu tak apa biju Sri Dapya Ripo Poumai, hana hai Poumai. Dari sana je tahu pahi, je tahu nguzi hi kepala ne, piye salam suai leza, piye zubi je tahu Thounii hi. Patron aji so ne cha lak aji ti jiru cha lak alia ti jiru tu bui vane biye chalo sule ina hai pom ngolo ni vane mam su hi kupa zam ngolo ni vane kupa ne be mam su ba pa poi chalo lai chalo sule Sri Dapya Ripo Poumai ni ne ji to BNU we ni hana ha so ta so cha pui ji to Poumai BNU ne ni hi ni ne pui zo so chalo mo bishi mana ji to we vyachi ji to we lishi han ti tha ni hi bui na ha sepo chalo lai ko ko akai so ne ju tile ha we ju top 5 ma to stage top ba so lai ha ma to shu he ne zo thon miss to lai thon runners up to ina ha declare so lai ju round akhana so lai so ne top 5 ma to we tile ha po ne be music tila so zona sepo chalo lai. Thank you. chú last round này ta cho bé mình sự vim dễ asa khó bị mồi bài nào đấy bài chung mồi đấy mình sự vim dễ asa khó bị mồi rồi chỉ biết bây giờ chúng ta khai ra đấy asa mồi khai ra này chú procedure ha có cả tạo ra lại là population là ra khai ra này chú top 5 mà ta hay bây giờ chú lựa biết là bây giờ chú lựa biết là này bây mà ta hi question ali ha poi là question ta nó pula này bây mà ta này minute hai gì là này question ta na answer khí là是 answer có cả khí lại là giờ pen aya paper pen này bây mà ta này là rồi hi rồi thấy là sao này top 5 mà ta nhưng mà ta cứ biểu sự bơi cho lại question hai gì nữa chụp là pen ala paper ha nimata bai thu bese la minute hai ne nimata ve answer ha par se la lei poim va ne zowi LOUMAI ve doju in ha la tha per ne LOUMAI she ve doju yi mo LOUMAI ve mte ti ne ve LOUMAI do se la hana akhasa ne last round so de le ze thonu taloi thonu second tai thon third tai na mình sẽ hi declare sa population lại Are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready to witness the final round? Vim jiso kuso bijina ju moment without be ju hamata hi bimata le question ta ju ju noe anane ju le my ham chú top 5 mầm tây thế giờ question alin nơi số bao question alin nơi bên này bị mà số đại chúng chú ấy nào rồi là phải answer por rồi số lại chú chỉ nói question hat số mấy số lại why should we select you as the next Miss Thounii? That is the first part. Second part, and if you are chosen as one, what can be your contribution to the people as a woman? May I repeat? Why should we choose you as the next Miss Thounii? And if you were chosen as one, what can be your contribution to the people as a woman? Why should we select you as the next Miss Thounii? And if you were chosen as one, what can be your contribution to the people as a woman? Your time starts now and you have got 2 minutes. We have 18 seconds. We have 18 seconds before the final tick of the second. 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and your time is up. Please stop your writing. Please put down your pen, and you please write your contestant number. Contestant number rất là vui to rồi. Chú, bí mật về answer ta collect sila này, chúng ngồi sila.
Contestant mai tanu lak hai tibio.
Chú lấy question no bi hinu answer ha araga sana contestant number 8 về answer ha chủ quyết là question ha repeat sẽ là second I repeat cho là question nữa. Why should we select you as the next Miss Thounii? Hana ha pu lo no po lai lo za dai su ne ji to no ne Miss Thounii ya ne du pa lo lai. And if you are chosen as one, what can be your contribution to the people as a woman? Neha zuvu Thounii miss ya dolore luza. Ni mai sujuno dai vasu tapulitse dai su tapulitse na vai. Question hai. Contestant number 8 ne pive answer ha da ga re na ha jin chupwe se lai telesu Muhammad junu pimata na English ne re khadina chupwe se balai. Contestant number 8. She writes, if I were chosen, contribution I would give would be set and serve a good example to the younger generation, promote our culture, shape our society to a better humanity, give it my best. Hana contestant number 8 vai masu papa boy tolole.
Contestant number 1. Contestant number 1 nu kakanu rupai tiluja. Thank you for the question. Well, I think I deserve to be in the next Miss Thounii because I stand ready to serve our Poumai community. I will always stand for our Poumai community and grasp every opportunity to uplift our Poumai community. My super aware.
And the next answer is from contestant number 9. She writes, I think I should be chosen as Miss Thounii because I am being myself, who is self-contented of her own, and I strongly stand here tonight with my utmost dignity, signifying my culture and identity. I will give women empowerment. Thank you. Mam su papa boy chalole hana contestant number 9 ne re.
Contestant number 7. Contestant number anenu kakanu rupai tiluja. Good evening, judges. I believe in feminism. I stand for equal rights for all gender to empower women. I will contribute to as many platforms as I can and contribute to many social causes. I'm self-aware and financially sound, and which is why I am. Dinu chibe, my super tapi tralolai.
Akai Kasane, contestant number 11. She writes, "Thank you so much for the question. I should be selected as a Miss Poumai Thounii because I believe that I can be the voice of the youth. I stand ready to serve for my community and do the best in all that I do. I can be the virtues of an upright woman. I can contribute my whole time for the community. Thank you." Tralopoe, contestant number 11. 2 round and a half. Next rounds, here crowning Suicile, some of the judges ma point calculate so beautifully here, Telekacha break Puisikala.
Hello. Contestant.
Contestant madana backstage ko pui chalo lai. Two contestant mata judges madana pimavik point so beautifully, Mr. Lusu Dio, in a special performance as usual, Mr. Lusu Dio, ne hai biluza tapa nivetile pupo itololai. Thank you. Mr. Lusu Dio, mamsuna bapa pe welcome susela, pe ha na limai tushis sone youth my level he. Aya na limai shuine tushis so lusu my ye. Hello,
hello. Lua solution ana. Taka hanya pronunciation solution su policy social solution monya ana taka jini zipa su yilu manipuri lu aibu nimsi ba ina susula.
Namshiba tambiriba lototraba saktani nahaki nokliba ninota ngau ale aibu mafankanda aibu namshiba tambiriba lototraba saktani nahaki nokliba minota ngau ale aibu mafankanda aktipa isu lokere lamba tazu chankare aktipa isu lokere lamba tazu chankare Taduna lấy hồng rê nằm kushida và một bineng di wahishi và một bineng di wahishi và một bineng di wahishi và một bineng di wahishi. Why
cho lu suy Mr. Lu Su Diu ni nó xuất ta sa một chiu mai lu hắn là hai lạc song với son nữa ni rau với son nữa bỏ số bồi ban nữa ni cho lo bỏ sao lo hết cho lo chú ý tới về declaration of result and crowning hắn là hi tạo chú ý lại chú tập lại chú chỉ tao nó welcome show với chú tập lại chú nó từ ba hắn là hai 2016 hi nữa 2016 Poumai thun nữa về Miss tao lại chú mai này bây giờ này thao là gì Miss Vasonila Pao from Oinam Village mai xưa nữa papa biết welcome show bây giờ thì biết được phò lại chú bây giờ hắn là gì biết về Thái Hiếu mai hi不过别人背人哈，背出来，就 ceremony 哈哈，我会说呢，就会说呢，啊他说呢，啊啥说呢，说呢呗。
Now, chỉ đầu về Miss Thounii bỏ thế hai cái sơ về crown na hai, bây giờ na hai bây lại vẫn nhiều, mai tàu li hai suda bu bơ, Ashinley Lauren, wife of Chief Patron, chỉ đầu về Chief Patron chỉ mai, Ma'am Ashinley Lauren, nia suda nu bu bơ, hai này hi nu chỉ đầu về ju, LOUMAI với DOYU hi jat super bu ju, Ma'am Julita Robert.
Dù vì thân niên hả hi Miss DOYU ha chỉ tàu Poumai giải thái phở nữa mai tàu gì nữa hà cái LOUMAI với DOYU yêu niên hả ha ở thắt sự với tivi mà đại dù cái gì nó tụi mai nữa ai chỉ tàu với society nữa một chơi nữa ha chơi với tivi mỗi bé số phận nữa chú ý mà tàu zum chú ý tới ha bây nữa hay mà tàu ha giải suy hi nữa lại chú ý hi nữa chú ý hi nữa mà bị mà bị overall personality bị mà bị sớm mai hi nữa à sớm với sớm bữa giải sớm với lệ điều số lệ mà chân là trúng với lệ mà chân là lại sớm lệ nữa thì rồi vào suy mà ha cái gì mà chỉ tao nữa ngõ chỉ sợ nữa cho lũ bơi coi đầu kia bơi hi số mũi bơi hi nữa India Punjab hi nữa về ví dụ India hi nữa bỏ ví dụ Miss Harnas Sandhu ha này Miss tao lấy chứ ha India mà rất là nó asai politicians mà sportsmen mà tao này ni hai cái này Miss tao lấy chứ ha chỉ tao asai xuôi India mai zunu haka pa represent se puya asaso yana mam te tin congratulations apa ne be jito haka so bu not ma za shem voi na le to mo a boy na sum ngo mo anana not ma hazuguti talent be not ma hazuguti chochi be not ma hazuguti chuve not ma hazuguti sulusen ha sum ngo be hana arthat sula mam te tin top 5 ma tai pure congratulations pa ba pha bai la khe
就知道为了呢，了不说呢，可不就对来的还个嘞，是的，知道为 right 呢 ，second runner up 呢，不 right 出来，是吧呢，ma'am Ashin la Lauren，你历史呢 stage 打跑标。
mam sini pi ba pha welcome se bese la khe Ju ma'am nu ta ba be been a gift aya title han ha Thounii present simple as a second runners up second runners up he is basically so the mam so he tele basically second runners up ha thono toss contestant number pokho contestant number 1 do I hear number 1 do I hear number 5 6 7 the winner the second runners up goes to
Contestant number 7. Contestant number 7. Thounii SC. Pushia Thounii way, Puno Thounii way. Second runner up na hai Puno Vilure. Puhai Phaibung Kuno Hinu Vewe.
Pinu second runners up. Toya ha title ha Vishon ngolo Poumai shuinu. LOUMAI vai dupaju ha Pinu second runner up tolo Pihi sharp price. That's in all it's 40,000. Zuvia 40,000 alia second runner up paisula.
Jitawi Thounii SC hai lower Phaibung hinoe.
Lower Phaibung mato nimato pasula the robaka dajinabe niman numane miss second runner up taya saw somewhere. Very good. Wisure Miss Thounii, congratulations for your team on lower Phaibung mata here. Congratulations hapo in a bit. Sum wisure ma'am, ini poji tapi second runner up nah presentation sebu mana ni coba apa be. Ju first runner up hit atau sila, hana hit hana po presentation nah sebu sila le je jita we zum chou biju Miss Julieta Robert hana na po sebu sila. Ma'am sunu bapa po coba le. Mai ni jita so biju actress mai. Raji jita so na actress sebu mai Miss Julieta hana jita mi ta bila ni. So beauty contest LOUMAI vai doju hana hi first runner up ha pino honor sebu sila. First runner up of 2023 Miss Thounii LOUMAI goes to contestant number, any guesses? Come up with more guesses. Number 1, number 11, contestant number 1.
Contestant number Ali KR Savini Magdalene. Puno je veux juste Thounii LOUMAI với DOYU first runner up nó rồi.
Born and student by occupation, she loves making videos and dancing. She is none other than Miss K.R. Zhifiimai Magdalene, currently based in Imphal. Talaswe, ma'am, and congratulations to the winner.
Je veux juste Poumai Thounii pour thiết hai cái survey Miss Thounii hai juste với tala ta ju Miss Thounii pour thiết hai charwe Miss Vasonela pour le Grand Superior. Senu, je veux Poumai Thounii pour thiết hai cái survey LOUMAI với hai Thounii ngon rồi. Từ lúc giờ serial number.
Serial number 11, 9, 8. Serial number, everybody, let's give it up for serial number 9.
Serial number 9. Congratulations. Chị tao với serial number 9 hai Davini Anna A. Mai sơ kushu bắt đầu bê lê mai sơ Shu sa bắt đầu bê lê Bố hai burul akut pa hinu vewe Bố hai koju ala to soju zipawe
Miss W, Miss Zhifiimai Anna A, Hana Hai, Purul Akutpa Hinwe, Purul Akutpa, Madajibe, Purul Akutpa, Madahi, congratulations, Bue, Nimato Nihi, Lumai Shubi, Lumai Avi, Poumai Zubi, Lumai Avikana, Nima Nuhi, Nimata Asaiko, Nimata Pusuiko, Ju, Miss Dollar Buhana Hai, Buha talent. Lausun be Spain pe talent tu khaya national volleyball player ma liso be jitano YouTube in tournaments different tournaments in volleyball hit daju and kubina fin sutta daya YouTube in lausun popular town jitano jubingoy pe congratulations Spain be aya winners ma tamam shilane congratulations ha Spain be. Je veux Miss Thounii LOUMAI với DOYU second runner-up with prize nu kaza loser 40,000. First runner-up with prize nu daza loser 70,000 alia Miss winner winner ka zo le ze 1 lakh ra ka lakh ali cash prize ni ngoi yes ta pima ta we popularity aya status ha so ni ngoi mam se ne bo pha pe le ke ju photograph po bi ne mega notice mister aji ta we jury board ma ta jury ma ta no sa pa photo ha po ne be ju photo pu session hana che le ze Thounii Miss 2016 here BNU ne gift de पैसे लाए सब ने पैसे दा भी पेट्रोल लाए Chief photo session here, executive matter, chief patron, president PNU, executive matter, Papa Chalolai. Chief PNU matter, Miss Thounii 2016, Miss Vasonila Pau, and I here give a tie so that the Savannah Hanaha PNU president behind the Poumai Chalolai PNU president. Mam se Papa Chalolai